Yo, I have not ripped some sport cards in forever, and I'm gonna get to it today. Albeit kind of stale. We got the March 2021 Boombox Elite Basketball, and I'm ripping this in August, but no worries. This was $260 and plus tax and shipping or whatever. So, without further ado, I don't even remember what was in here, but there's always that slip. So, let's get to it. All right. Boxes are always handy. We got the signature peanuts, and it's been a minute. How's everyone's summer been? All right, here we go. Donruss Hobby, Revolution Hobby, clearly Donruss, Hoops Hobby, Hoops Hobby. All right, so we're trying to get some Lamelo rookies, maybe some Zion. All right. Some Wade ticket promo. All right, well, check out that. That Boombox is sick. They're sick, y'all. Hit them up. Smash that subscribe, and hit me with a like. Ooh, got some fat pack in here. Okay, contenders draft picks. So many peanuts. All right, 2 more packs. Just trying to get everything out. Okay. That's why. Mag protector thing. All right, so we got hoops, draft picks, revolution, hoops, clearly. All right, let's do the old stuff first. Let's do 2016 draft picks. Brandon Ingram, Buddy Hield, Marquise Chris. Some college stuff. All right, DeLon Wright, he just got traded to the Hawks or somebody. Rashad Vaughn, Willie Cauley-Stein, Kentucky. Ooh, Jamal Murray, game day. It's probably the best card we're going to get. Oh, 2 Jamal Murrays. Okay. And a collegiate connections. I don't know them. Tyler Eulis. Ooh, Russell Westbrook. UCLA, new Laker. Okay. That was alright. 2017, 2018 hoops. Let's get it. The National was just now, this past weekend. So if you went, drop a comment. Let me know how it was. Don Maker. Thomas Satoransky. Dwight Howard. Ooh, let's see. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's stuck. Okay, auto. Lorenzo Brown. This guy had nobody. He is playing in Italy or somewhere fresh. Andre Roberson and a rookie Semi Oleje. Rookie Harry Giles. And an Al Horford. Harry Giles a bust. Kings don't even have him anymore. All right, clear these are cool because they're clear, guys. You see right through them. And this is the debut edition. Okay. DeAndre Ayton. And check this out, y'all. See through. You see? Pascal Siakam. And we got LeBron James defying gravity. Okay. Pretty dope. I don't know if that's worth anything, but hopefully it is. And a Matisse Thybulle rated rookie. I kind of like him. He's kind of cool, gritty on defense. And Carson Wentz rookies. Okay. Not too bad. Let's do this fat pack. It's like super fat and so fat, bro. This is like a fucking Kid who ate too many donuts, man. This is like an offensive guard. Okay. Oh my god, they gave you like a playing card deck. Alright, Serge, Marcus Morris, Harrison Barnes. This is some junk. Will Barton, Oladipo, Clint, Kendrick Nunn, Schroeder, Kuzma, Miss Randall, Caruso, Paul George, Luka. Put Luka to the side because he's Luka. Marcus Smart, Enes Kanter, OG Anunoby, Fred VanVleet. This is a bunch of upside down junk. Oh, here we go. Jeff Green, number to 349. Bang. Jason Tatum. Crunch time. Jason Tatum. Craftsman. Tracy McGrady. T-Mac. Okay. Ooh, this is worth something. Ja Morant Net Marvels. Yo, that made me box back. Let's get it. Crunch time. Oh, not a rookie Ja. Damn. Second year. Theo Maladon rookie. Malachi Flynn rookie. Pokucheski rookie. Net Marvel's still cool for Ja. Alright, Isaiah Stewart. And Obi Toppin, Devin Vassell. Okay, Obi Toppin. Alright. Let's go with this hoops. Now let's get this hoops. Let's go Lamelo right here, baby. Spang it. Okay. Kyle Lowry. Yeah, these cards are kind of ugly to be honest. Christian Wood. Mo Bamba. Devin Booker. And, yo, bang, let's go, LaMelo. Rookie, who we got next? That's right, we got next. Fuck yeah. Onyeka Okongwu and Saban Lee. Okongwu played okay in the playoffs. Eastern Conference Finals, all right. LaMelo rookie. That's my first LaMelo rookie. Let's get it, boys. All right, this is a Hopes 1920 Zion class. Kawhi, Alex Len, CJ McCullough, Daniel Gafford rookie, Pat Bev, Zero Gravity Giannis, Torrey Craig, got a ring, Marcus Smart. It's a lot of junk. All right, last pack at Revolution. We got a LaMelo rookie and like some LeBron insert from Clearly. I'm gonna see if that's worth anything though. And a Ja Morant Net Marvels. We also got this bum Lorenzo Brown. It says he's on the Raptors, but it says Pistons. I don't know. Russ. Alright, I don't know the different variations in Revolution. Giannis. Okay, these look the same. Kawhi. Okay, this is different. Steven Adams. And then a die cut James Harden. Is this Steven Adams numbered? What is this? Groove. It's a groove variation. Nobody likes Steven Adams that much. Alright, y'all. These two were my best for sure. But definitely the LaMelo we got next. Check me out, y'all. Playboy Cardi. It's lit. NBA. Hit me up on Instagram. Thanks, guys.